Well, also in Nashville, you moderated a fascinating panel on automation as a
Hmm.
way to increase productivity. Can you tell me about what types of automation you have going at Happy Laundry right now and how it's working for you?
Sure, sure. I was on the panel. Matt Pelton is an operator in Virginia, and one of the things that he pointed out that I never really had thought about is really the first step in automation, if you're getting in the commercial business, is to use automated injection soap in a machine. You can
Okay.
use it in standard laundry machines. For us, we do a lot of commercials, so we got specific what they call on-premise laundry machines. But that's kind of our first round of automation, and that's the auto injected soap. So it works super slick for my staff.
Hmm.
We we process such a wide variety of things. I kind of drove my chemical guy nuts in making. Uh, I think we have 22 programs that are set up
Oh, wow.
for
Yeah.
different types of fabrics and soil. Some with bleach, some without. Um, some specialty for like walk on or walk off mats. Comforters, clothing, all that kind of stuff. So the nice thing is they load the items into the washer, they close the door, they select the number program that's what they put in the machine, and then it's automated from there on out. They don't add anything. There's no
Right.
soap they add in the top.
Right.
It's automatically injected in the back. So that was our first. It took about a year to kind of work out, but that was our first round of automation. The second, which we purchased, I want to say May of this year. It was earlier. I put the order in February, but met the guys at the Clean Show. We bought a automated folding machine, and it's a small piece folder. So a lot of think about a machine that you use for towels, or we pre-fold kind of like twin sheets. We can fold them in half and put them through it. But we'll do a French fold, which is kind of in thirds for the primary, and then it goes into some rollers in the back, and with air blasts, you can fold it any kind of number of ways 3 more times. So drops down onto a conveyor, and then the conveyor just stops right now. Eventually we'll have a table at the end of it where it kind of pushes onto where things are packaged. But that has, I would say, we've probably increased our efficiency by 25 to 35%. We're not 100% on how good we can get there yet, but you can put more towels through that machine faster and more consistently than somebody can package them out the backside. So it's it, it there's always a bottleneck in production, and the automation has definitely helped us reduce labor a little bit and take on more business with the same people. And there's a new bottleneck, right now it's in packaging. So
Right.
you know
Right.
probably looking at an automated packager at some point.
Right. Right. You just shifted the bottleneck, at
Yep.
least for the time being. Yeah, it's fascinating what's happening
Hmm.
with folding and the
Hmm.
technology. Uh, and I guess the next question is, where do you see the technology, taking full service laundry in the future? Where do you see it in the coming years?
Well, what was it? Was it Foldymate a number of years ago? I think there was a couple folks in the community that bought into their prototype. Never got off the ground. It was something that was supposed to be neat, where you could just kind of lay the garment out and it would fold it for you.
Okay.
I mean, that would be nice. I don't know in the next 5 to 10 years there's going to be one that's going to be reasonably priced. As far as technology that I've seen, this small piece folder that can take things that are either square or rectangle and make them smaller and stack them, that's kind of as close to the majority of the automation that I see. Other than, we may go to an ironer folder in our business at some point,
Hmm.
um, where you're loading the sheets, and it spreads them, irons them, and then folds them at the end. Um, that would be ideal for us, but there'll always be some hand folding in our
Sure.
business,
Right.
just because we're not. where an industrial laundry is doing very set things and only that type of thing, whether that be napkins or a type of sheet or towels, we're doing customer owned goods. So they're all kinds of different things. So my hope, I don't have a crystal ball, but my hope is that we get another piece of equipment down the line that can, pick from a basket and lay it on these machines to be able to do quicker. That would be ideal.
Right, right. That would be ideal. Still leaving room for some customization too.
Yeah,
And yeah,
absolutely.
always, always.
But I think in my lifetime, we're gonna have. I don't think that humans are going away from our laundry process anytime soon.
Right, right.